Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower cam on your refrigerator door, be sure to unplug the power cord. Support the door, then use a 3/16" Allen wrench or a T30 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper door hinge. Remove the hinge and have an assistant help you to lift the door off of the lower hinge pin. Set the door on a towel or blanket. Using a 5/16" socket or nut driver, unthread the screws securing the lower cam. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help pry the old cam out. Install the new lower door cam by inserting it into the bottom of the door. Then thread the screw to secure. Reinstall the door by aligning it on the lower hinge pin. Reposition the upper hinge and thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.